Hey guys, Aaron here. Welcome back to the channel. I have my buddy Craig with me today. He brought over his 2000 996. So never been able to work on one of these cars. We're doing a really simple project today, adding some cool decals to the side. So here we go right now. Let's give you a little before of this car. It is super clean and nice, but you know, it could use a little something extra. All right, so we're gonna put these guys on. You got them from Decal, very reasonably priced. I will try to put a link to these in the description if you guys are interested in something like this. They're not sponsoring this or anything, just hopefully a good product and you'll see how it works. So I just bought a bottle of this stuff. It's supposed to be a really good surface prep just to make sure that any wax or oil or anything is off so we can get a good clean seal for our decal. All right, I don't know if you can see here, but there's a little bit of excess from the last time he put a decal on here. Yeah, just kind of spray it and scrub that area off. And gray cars really don't show anything. You can't even really tell, but that came off. You couldn't see it before. All right, tools we're gonna need is some painter's tape and a spray bottle of water. And then if you got something like this, I have this from my wrap or a credit card works. And some sort of razor blade because we're gonna have to cut in the gaps of the doors. All right, so we just have it taped up on one side just to make sure you have enough length to wrap all the way around there. And then on the other side, get the same equal height and tape it up at that end. And then we'll just make sure it is nice and taut throughout here and add a few more pieces of tape. All right, so I just kind of started from here and pushed down, put a piece of tape there, put a piece of tape there, just to make sure it was smooth all the way down and nice and taut. All right, I put one vertical piece here because we're gonna do this in 2 steps. We're going to peel this off away from here, remove the backing. We're gonna spray the back of this and then we're gonna spray the area right here. Press it back on, squeegee it into place, and then repeat on the other half. All right, so now you can see where we got to over here. So we're just gonna move this piece of tape over to this side so that all of this side can be lifted up and do the exact same thing. All right, now you have to wait 15 minutes before you peel this off, but before that time, you're gonna go ahead and take a knife and cut directly down the center of these, because you wanna tuck these around the corners of this before it dries. We can take this here. And on the front here, there's a little lip, so we can cut just outside of this and then tuck it in. All right, it's been about 15 minutes, so we're gonna start peeling it off. They say that if it's sticking to the backing, you can spray the back of the backing a little bit with water to help it release, but we're gonna try it without it first, see what happens. Tough part to get it started. Take your time, nice hard angle. Oh man, I like that color. Good. Perform some delicate surgery here to get a little errant piece of paper from behind the S. Good as new. Beautiful. Good move. looks good on mine. All right, we just have a heat gun. We're gonna hit it real quick. Just keep it moving around. Don't melt your vinyl, but this can help get some bubbles out of it and help it around the corners to kind of wrap around. If you have any little air bubbles, just work them out. That looks sweet. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want to see more of Craig's 996 and other projects, please let me know in the comments below, and we'll try to get him back over and do some more things. So appreciate him coming over. Appreciate you guys watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys like this kind of content. Let me know, and I'll keep it coming. Thanks. See you on the next one.